CapTrader pricing. Explain what you get for your money. CapTrader is a global brokerage platform designed for active traders and investors who want access to international markets. Many people assume international trading comes with hidden fees and complex pricing, but CapTrader keeps it surprisingly straightforward. CapTrader charges a base commission of 50 per trade for US stocks plus 1 per share, while European stock trades start at 4.95 per transaction. Additionally, there are options for lower cost trades depending on volume and account type. Ports and mutual funds. CapTrader often charges no additional fees, making it attractive for portfolio diversification. Most people get this wrong by assuming that a low base fee covers everything. While commissions are transparent, there can be minor exchange or regulatory fees for certain international markets. For example, trading German stocks might include small stamp duties, but these are clearly disclosed before execution. The surprising truth is that CapTrader gives access to more than 100 exchanges worldwide, including the US, Europe, and Asia, which is rare for retail investors. Coupled with advanced trading tools, research platforms, and margin auctions, this pricing structure makes it feasible for serious traders to operate globally without hidden costs. In conclusion, CapTrader pricing is transparent, competitive, and tailored for investors who want international market exposure. Understanding the per trade fees, possible minor charges, and the global access provided shows how CapTrader delivers value for active investors seeking professional-level trading tools.